Welcome everyone to our fraction series. Today we will be looking at how SSCE treats fractions. Fractions are of the form A over B, where A is the numerator and B is the denominator. Also note B must not be equal to 0. We have proper, improper, and mixed numbers. The examples are given under each of the heading. In the case of proper fraction, the numerator is usually smaller than the denominator. While in the case of improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. As for mixed numbers or mixed fractions, we have whole numbers along with proper fractions. The basic arithmetic rules of addition, subtraction, division, if we are to perform more than one operation of the aforementioned, then BODMAS pattern must be strictly adhered to. Let's take our first example. Simplify 10 whole number 2 over 5 minus 6 whole number 2 over 3 plus 3. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then our given problem is 10 whole number 2 over 5 minus 6 whole number 2 over 3 plus 3 will be equals to 52 over 5 minus 20 over 3 plus 3. How did that happen? In the first mixed number, 5 times 10 plus 2 gives you 52 over the 5 that is there at the denominator. And in the second mixed number, 3 times 6 plus 2 gives you 20 over 3 that is there at the denominator, plus the 3 whole number that is already there before now. Next, we take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators 5 and 3, which is 15. Then we now rule our line. At the denominator we have 15. And in the first case, 5 going to 15, you have 3. 3 times 52 will give you 156. Minus, in the second case, 3 divide 15, give you 5. 5 times 20 gives you 100. Plus, in the last case, you have 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. So 1 go into 15 is 15. 15 times 3 gives you 45. Hence, you have that result at the numerator all over the 15. Next, you do your simple arithmetic operation of addition and subtraction. Once that is done, you will have 101 over 15, which is the same as 6 whole number 11 over 15. Another example. Simplify 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus bracket open 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 4. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thus, our given problem will be equals to 7 over 4 minus bracket open 7 over 3 plus 4. How did that happen? In the mixed number, in the first mixed number, 4 times 1 plus 3 gives you 7 over 4. That is there at the denominator, minus in the bracket, the first mixed number in the bracket there, 3 times 2 plus 1 gives you 7 over the 3 that is there. That is how we arrive at that result. Applying BODMAS rule, bracket first. So it means we perform the operation, the arithmetic operation in the bracket, and that will give us 7 over 4 minus 19 over 3. What just happened in the bracket is we use 3 to multiply the 4 plus 7. And that gives you 19 over the 3. Then now we can conveniently apply LCM of the denominators 4 and 3, and that is 12, into the arithmetic operation. So we have a result will be, then in the first case, 4 divide 12 will give you 3, 3 times 7 will give you the 21, minus second fraction, 3 divide 12, 4 times 19 gives you 76. Hence you have 21 minus 76 over 12. Which is equals to minus 55 over 12. And that is the same as minus 4 whole number 7 over 12. Another example. Simplify 6 whole number 3 over 4 divided by bracket open 21 whole number 1 over 3 times 2 whole number 1 over 4 minus 21 bracket close. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thus, our given problem become equals to 27 over 4 divided by, bracket open, 64 over 3 times 9 over 4 minus 21, bracket close. How did we arrive at that? The first mixed number, 6 whole number 3 over 4 transformed to 27 over 4. Just multiply 4 times 6 plus 3 gives you 27 over the 4 that is there. Then division sign is retained. When you enter into the first bracket, we have a 21 whole number 1 over 3. We transform to 64 over 3. It's just 3 times 21 plus 1. That gives you 64 over the 3 that is there, times 2 whole number 1 over 4. We transform to 9 over 4. How did it happen? 4 times 2 plus 1 is 9 over the 4 that is there. Our 21 minus 21 is the same as it were. Having achieved this, next we apply Bodmer's rule, which says bracket first. Inside the bracket, we apply Bodmer's also, there, multiplication first. Our result will be equals to 27 over 4 divided by, bracket open, 48 minus 21. What happened in the multiplication inside the bracket? Those two items that multiply themselves, sometimes we cancel out. 3 and 9 we cancel out. Then 4, 64 we cancel out. Then you now multiply out the result. Hence we have that 48. Next, still within the bracket, we have that 48 minus 21 is equals to 27. So hence you have 27 over 4 divided by 27. Next, we change from division to multiplication sign. And that will mean we invert. So we have 27 over 4 times 1 over 27. You might say, where did we get the 1 for? Actually, 27 whole number is the same thing as 27 over 1. So when you invert it, it becomes 1 over 27. And sometimes we cancel out to be left with 1 over 4. Another example. Simplify. 1 whole number 2 over 3 of 2 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 4. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fractions. And our result, our given problem becomes 5 over 3 of 9 over 4 divided by 7 over 2 minus 5 over 4. How did we arrive at that? In the first mixed number, 1 whole number 2 over 3, how it transformed to 5 over 3, use 3 to multiply 1 plus 2, and that's 5 over the 3 that is there. Of the second mixed number, 2 whole number 1 over 4 transforming to 9 over 4, use 4 to multiply 2 plus 1, and that gives you 9 over the 4 that is there at the denominator. Then in the second mixed number, 3 whole number 1 over 2 transforming to 7 over 2 is 2 times 3 plus 1, and that's 7 over the 2 that is there at the denominator, minus the last mixed number there transforming from 1 whole number 1 over 4 to 5 over 4 is 4 times 1 plus 1, and that gives you 5 over the 4 that is there. Then we apply Bodmer's rule of first. So which is to say, we are treating the case of which is multiplication. So we have 5 over 3 times 9 over 4 divided by 7 over 2 minus 5 over 4. Next, we can decide to cancel out or leave it like that to continue. The next, division. We change divided by 7 over 2 times 2 over 7. Our result will be 15 over 4 times 2 over 7. Because in the first case, 3 will cancel out with 9 and you'll be left with 3 there. So 5 times 3 gives you 15 and the 4 will still be there. Hence you have 15 over 4 times now 2 over 7 minus our 5 over 4 that is there. Now the two items that are multiplying each other, 2 will cancel out and you'll be left with 15 over 14 minus 5 over 4. Next, we apply LCM of 14 and 4. We roll our line. At the denominator, we have 28. And at the numerator, we have 14 divided 28. That will give you 2. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 4 divided 28. And at the numerator, we have 30 minus 35. What happened there? 14 divide 28 gives you 2. 2 times 15 gives you 30. Then in the second case, 4 divide 28 gives you 7. 7 times 5 gives you 35. My result will be minus equals to minus 5 over 28. Another example, evaluate 2 over 7 divided by, bracket open, 1 whole number, 7 over 8 divided by 1 whole number, 1 over 14, bracket close, times 4 over 7. The options are given. Solution. First, we change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Our given problem will become 2 over 7 divided by, bracket open, 15 over 8 divided by 15 over 14 times 4 over 7. How did that happen? The mixed number is inside the bracket. And the first bracket, how 1 whole number, 7 over 8 transformed to 15 over 8. 8 times 1 plus 7, that is 15, over the 8 that is in denominator. Divided by, in the second case, where the mixed number, 1 whole number, 1 over 14 transformed to 15 over 14. You just multiply 14 times 1 plus 1, and that gives you 15 over the denominator of 14 there. Next, applying both mass, bracket first. And that is to say, we perform the bracket operation by changing the division sign there to multiplication and inverting the number that is after the sign. We will have 2 over 7 divided by, bracket open, 15 over 8 times 14 over 15. Then you close your bracket, times 4 over 7. And within the bracket, sometimes we cancel out and you'll be left with 7 over 4. Hence, our result will be 2 over 7 divided by 7 over 4 times 4 over 7. Next, we still applying both mass, division first before multiplication. We will change the term immediately after the division sign, which is 7 over 4, to multiplication, and it becomes 4 over 7. And that will give us 2 over 7 times 4 over 7 times 4 over 7. And the result, since no term will cancel out, the result becomes, we just multiply the numerators out and the denominators out, and we have 32 over 343. Another example, simplify 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3 of, bracket open, 1 whole number 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3, bracket close. The options are given. Solution. First, we changed mixed numbers to improper fraction. Our given problem becomes 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 of, bracket open, 11 over 6 minus 1 over 3, bracket close. How did we achieve that? Mixed numbers, the first mixed number, 2 whole number 1 over 2 transform to 5 over 2 is simply 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2. 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Plus the second mixed number, 1 whole number 1 over 3 transforming to 4 over 3 is simply multiplication of 3 times 1 plus 1 gives you 4 over the 3. And in the bracket, the mixed number, the 1 whole number 5 over 6 transformed to 11 over 6 is simply 6 times 1 plus 5 gives you 11 over 6. Next, applying both mass, bracket, it says that bracket first. We must attend to the bracket first. So we have applying both mass, bracket first. So it means we perform the arithmetic operation inside the bracket. So that gives us 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 of, inside the bracket, the LCM of 6 and 3 of the denominator is 6. In the first case, 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times 11 minus, in the second case, 3 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 1 gives you 2. Hence, the result at the numerator, 11 minus 2. And once that operation is done, we have the result will be 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 of 9 over 6. The bracket operation becomes 9. Result becomes 9 over 6. That is 11 minus 2 is 9 over the 6 that is there. Next, applying both mass, off first, and off is multiplication in essence. So we have 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 times 9 over 6. And that is the same as Some terms we cancel out, and we have 5 over 2 plus 2. And that is the same as, we just perform arithmetic operation there, which should be 2 times 2 plus 5, 9 over 2, which is same as 4 whole number 1 over 2. Another example, simplify. At the denominator, we have 1 over 6 minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Then at the numerator, we have 1 over 2 of 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 3. Solution. We solve numerator and denominator differently, applying BODMAS off first. So we have it as equals to, our given problem comes equals to 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 3 at the numerator. Then at the denominator, we still have 1 over 6 minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Applying LCM to the denominator and invert 1 over 3 to 3 over 1 to change from division to multiplication in the numerator, we have our given problem will be equals to 1 over 8 times 3 over 1 at the numerator divided by 2 minus 9 plus 6 divided by 12. What happened at the denominator is that we look for the LCM of 6, 4, and 2, which is 12. And in the first fraction, 1 over 6, 6 divided 12 will give you 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then the minus that is there, the second fraction, which is 3 over 4, 4 divided 12 is 3. 3 times 3 gives you 9. Then plus, in the second fraction, 1 over 2, you have 2 divided 12 will give you 6. 6 times 1 gives you plus the 6 that is there. And so our result will be equals to 3 over 8 at the numerator divided by minus 1 over 12 is equals to 3 over 8 divided by, bracket open, minus 1 over 12. Changing from division to multiplication, we now have 3 over 8 times minus 12 over 1, bracket open and close. And that will give us minus 9 over 2, which is the same as minus 4 whole number 1 over 2. Next, we take some word problems involving fractions. 3/4 of a number added to 2 and a half of that number gives 13. Find the number. The options are given. Solution. Let the number be x. We have to find x in 3 over 4 of s plus 2 whole number 1 over 2 of s equals to 13. That is the same as 3 over 4 of s plus 5 over 2 of s equals to 13. We've just changed the mixed number there to improper fraction. Multiply through by the LCM of 4 to clear fractions, because the LCM of the denominator 4 and 2 is 4. We have 3x plus 10x will be equals to 52. What we have just done, item by second item, and also 13. So in the first case, 4 we cancel out with 4, you have 3x left. In the second case, 2 we cancel out with 4, and you left with 2. 2 times 5 will be 10 times the x that is there. And in the last case, after the equality sign, is 13 times 4, and that gives you 52. Solving the simple resultant equation, you have that 13s will be equals to 52. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 13. X will now be equals to 52 over 13, which is equals to 4. Another example. Ade received 3 over 5 of a sum of money. Nelly 1 over 3 of the remainder, while Austin took the rest. If Austin's share is greater than Nelly's share by 3,000, how much did Ade receive? Solution. Let the sum of money be x. Let the money be x. Ade's share is 3 over 5 of x. Nelly's share is 1 over 3 of 1x, bracket open, 1x minus 3 over 5x, which is the same as, which is equals to 1 over 3 of 2 over 5x, which is equals to 2 over 15x. Austin's share is 1x minus 3 over 5 of x minus, bracket open, 1 over 3 of 1x minus 3 over 5x, bracket close, then the bigger bracket close. and that is the same as 2 over 5x minus the result of the whole of that bracket, which we have gotten before, as 2 over 15x, which is equals to 4 over 15x. The last statement is Austin's share minus Nelly's share is equals to 3,000. And that gives us a view of what to substitute. Austin's share is 4 over 15x minus Nelly's share is 2 over 15x is equals to 3,000. Next, we do the simple arithmetic operation, and that will be 4 minus 2 at the numerator all over 15, putting x outside the bracket equals to 3,000. What happened there is that we take the LCM of 15 and 15, and that is 15. In the first case, 15 going to 15 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus in the second case, the same thing. 15 divided 15 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. We just brought the x outside the bracket for making life easy, which is equal to 3,000. Then our result will be 2 over 15x will be equal to 3,000. Making x a subject formula, we have that x will be equal to 3,000 times 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 22,500. Having gotten s, we now look for Ade's share, which is the original question. How much did Ade receive? Ade's share is 3 over 5 of x, which is equals to 3 over 5 of 22,500, which gives us a result of 13,500. We've come to the end of the examples under this heading of fraction and then word problem in fraction. Next, we have some exercises which are taken from page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the hidden fact in SSCE mathematics. Please try your hands on the exercises. The answers are provided at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.